Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And today we've got ICE. Unbelievable, actually. Was pointed out in the trading room by Zach early. Was starting to win some races, but what made the trade great is that when you look at the daily chart, let me just quickly get that daily chart up. Look how much room it had. See, look, when you look left, the next high looking left was something like 1344. Now, we're never saying that a stock is going to get there. Actually, the next high, I'm sorry, was 1319. So taking this trade just over 12, you had about $1 of room. And so that is really what made the trade great. It showed up on the race early, and a lot of people took this. Unfortunately, I got out a little bit early. I wasn't too enamored with the market at the beginning of the day, but that had a move almost up to that high. So that's what made the trade great. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye bye.